Did you know if you're using Amazon Author Central, multiple pen names is more possible than ever? But how do you add the pen names to the new Amazon Author Central dashboard, and is there a limit? Well, first, how do you add the pen names to Amazon Author Central? Let's just get that one out the way. First of all, you've got to set up an account through Amazon Author Central. You go over to author.amazon.com. I did a full comprehensive overview of Amazon Author Central and all the features. I've got a link inside the description down below, and I'll also remind you at the very end of this video where you can find that. Now, click the Books tab in the Amazon Author Central dashboard. At the top of the page, you'll see a message. Click Add It Now. Enter the title, ISBN, or author name of the book you've written with the pen name you want to add, and click Add This Book. You will see the author name is my pen name. So in this instance, you can see I'm not Charles Dickens, so I'm clearly not going to select this. But in the event that it was, I would select that name and I would go ahead and click continue. I didn't, since I'm not Charles Dickens. I'm not going to add this to my profile. So once they've verified this, you'll find your profile in the drop down in the top right hand corner of your Amazon Author Central profile. So when you get into there, you'll click it and it'll be there. It's pretty neat. You actually have a few bubbles. And okay, so the $1 million question is, how many pen names can you have in one account? Well, it's changed more recently. In fact, actually in their words, I reached out to them. Amazon Author Central allows you to create up to 3 author pages, but manage up to 7 within a single account. If you already have 3 author pages and you want to add more pen names, please reopen this case with the pen names you want to add, and we'll gladly add them on your behalf. Now, previously, Author Central just said 3, that's it. If you wanted additional names, you had to open up additional Amazon Author Central accounts. That became a pain in the rear end. Not to be confused, all right? You don't open up multiple Kindle Direct Publishing accounts in order to get numerous pen names. You can put all the pen names you want to into a single KDP account. You don't want to have multiple accounts on KDP. You can have multiple accounts over on Amazon Author Central. There hasn't been any issues that I've seen so far with this, but I'd say 7 pen names on a single account is going to probably be more than enough. Reach out to Amazon Author Central if you have any other details. Scroll down to the bottom of the dashboard and click Contact Us, and they'll help you out within about 24 to 72 hours. By the way, I did a full deep dive of Amazon Author Central and some really neat features beyond just adding multiple pen names. I talk a little bit more about editorial reviews and how you can actually see where your books are being bought in the United States. Take a look at it over inside this video. And inside this video, YouTube says you're going to probably like it better. I think you should go over to this one instead, but choose your adventure, your choice.